In this video, I'll show you how to transfer music from your Windows computer to an Android phone. First, connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, unlock your phone and tap the USB notification that appears on the screen. From the available options, select Transfer Files. Next, go to your computer and open File Explorer. In the left-hand panel, you'll see your Android phone listed under This PC or Devices and Drives. Click on your phone to open it. Then open the Internal Storage folder. Look for the Music folder and open it. If the Music folder doesn't exist, you can create a new folder and name it Music. Now, on your computer, navigate to the folder where your music files are stored. Select the songs or audio files you want to transfer. Right-click the selected files and choose Copy. Go back to the Music folder on your phone. Right-click inside the folder and select Paste. Wait for the transfer process to complete. Once the files have been copied, safely disconnect your phone from the computer. Now, open your preferred music player app on your Android phone, and you should see the transferred songs available to play. That's it. This is how you can transfer music from a Windows computer to an Android phone using a USB cable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.